Gardening is a great way to get outdoors, enjoy nature, and grow your own food. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, there are some basic steps you can take to ensure your plants thrive in the garden. Here's how to get started. Choose the right plants for your garden. Before you start planting, it's important to choose plants that will do well in your climate and soil type. Consider factors such as sunlight, water requirements, and soil fertility when selecting plants for your garden. Prepare the soil. Once you've chosen the right plants for your garden, it's time to prepare the soil. This includes tilling the soil and adding organic matter such as compost or manure to improve its fertility and drainage. Plant at the right time of year. Depending on where you live, there may be certain times of year when it's best to plant certain types of plants in order for them to thrive in your climate and environment. Check with your local gardening center or extension office for more information about planting times in your area. Water regularly and deeply. Plants need water to survive, so make sure they are getting enough water on a regular basis, but don't overdo it. Too much water can cause root rot or other problems with plant health. Aim for deep watering once per week, or more often during hot weather. Fertilize regularly, if needed. Depending on the type of plants you have in your garden, you may need to fertilize them regularly in order for them to thrive and produce healthy fruits or vegetables. Check with your local gardening center or extension office for more information about fertilizing schedules in your area. Monitor pests and diseases regularly. Keep an eye out for signs of pests or diseases that could harm your plants, and take action if necessary. Common pests include aphids, caterpillars, slugs, snails, and mites. Common diseases include powdery mildew and blight. Harvest when ready. When it comes time to harvest, make sure you pick fruits and vegetables at their peak ripeness so they taste their best. Following these steps will help ensure that your garden is successful, and that you can enjoy homegrown fruits and vegetables all season long. Thank you for your interest in my channel. I'm so grateful for your support. To ensure that you don't miss any of my new content, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to enable notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post something new. Thanks again for your support.